Next part, still Monday, May 12th here. And internationalizing the wood with some old bamboo. A bit of a space there where you can see the metal screws, so that will cover that. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I guess you approve. You like bamboo, huh? Tropical. Yeah, I know. It makes you think of warm weather. Yes. Budgies have been wondering during the winter, they say, what are we doing here? Can't we move to Jamaica? San Juan? U.S. Virgin Islands? Thank you, Dr. Chi. How are we doing, Prime Minister Mazel? Oh, you're preening. Okay, good. Clean those feathers. It'll be a few months till I can put bath water out when it gets really hot. This is, I'm going to have to put some screws in here. It's kind of wobbly, and I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll try. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. That's what they say. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Great feedback.